इंग्लिश में वन वर्ड सब्सटीट्यूशन भी वेटेज कैरी करता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. वन हु इज बैड इन स्पेलिंग. ऑप्शंस आर ए कैलीग्राफिस्ट, बी कैकोग्राफिस्ट, सी linguist, D plagiarist, and the correct answer is option B cacographist. Question number 2. A sea abounding in islands. Options are A archipelago, B ocean, C gulf, D strait, and the correct answer is option A archipelago. Question number 3. A place where birds are kept. Options are A apiary, B hive, C aviary, and D sty, and the correct answer is option C aviary. Question number 4. The study of mountains. Options are A anthropology, B topography, C orology, and D geology, and the correct answer is option C orology. Question number 5. A person who maliciously sets on fire the property etc. Options are A politician, B terrorist, C incendiary, and D activist, and the correct answer is option C incendiary. Question number 6. The original inhabitants of a country. Options are A aliens, B aborigines, C strangers, and D citizens, and the correct answer is option B aborigines. Question number 7. A loss which cannot be repaired. Options are A irrelevant, B irreparable, C incurable, and D incalculable, and the correct answer is option B irreparable. Question number 8. A person who is not sensitive to the suffering of others. Options are A impartial, B callous, C coward, and D generous. Correct answer is option B callous. Question number 9. An ignorant person. Options are A ignoramus, B traitor, C stupid, and D hypocrite, and the correct answer is option A ignoramus. Question number 10. One who makes a scientific study of insects. Options are A anthropologist, B anthropologist, C entomologist, and D misogynist, and the correct answer is option C entomologist. 2. Question number 11. Speaking disrespectfully about God and sacred things. Options are A pantheism, B sacred, C stoicism, and D blasphemy, and the correct answer is option D blasphemy. Question number 12. Science of pharmacy. Options are A pharmacology, B phonology, C pathology, and D pharmacopoeia, and the correct answer is option A pharmacology. Question number 13. One who is in charge of a museum. Options are A guard, B warden, C curator, and D watchman, and the correct answer is option C curator. Question number 14. The science of earthquakes. Options are A astronomy, B geology, C geography, and D seismology, and the correct answer is option D seismology. Question number 15. One who walks on foot. Options are A pedestrian, B traveler, C immigrant, and D cyclist, and the correct answer is option A pedestrian. Question number 16. An apparatus for making copies of stencils. Options are A periscope, B mimeograph, C photometer, and D pyrometer, and the correct answer is option B mimeograph. Question number 17. That which makes it difficult to recognize the presence of real nature of somebody or something. Options are A cover, B camouflage, C pretense, and D mask, and the correct answer is option B camouflage. Question number 18. Absence of knowledge. Options are A nescience, B omniscience, C presence, and D incipient, and the correct answer is option A nescience. Question number 19. Place of permanent residence. Options are A. Nation, B. Harbor, C. Home, and D. Domicile. And the correct answer is option D. Domicile. Question number 20. An instrument for measuring high temperatures from a distance. Options are A. Speedometer, B. Pyrometer, C. Barometer, and D. Ammeter. And the correct answer is option B. Pyrometer. Question number 21. A room where plates, pots, etc. are washed up. Options are A. Kitchen, B. Scullery, C. Pantry, and D. Restaurant. And the correct answer is option B. Scullery. Question number 22. Those living on the opposite side of the globe. Options are A. Platitudes, B. Antiquities, C. Antipodes, and D. Mastiffs. And the correct answer is option C. Antipodes. Question number 23. An animal with 2 feet. Options are A. Quadruped, B. Tripod, C. Biped, and D. Centipede. And the correct answer is option C. Biped. Question number 24. Feeding on grass, cereals, etc. Options are A. Herbivorous, B. Graminivorous, C. Carnivorous, and D. Omnivorous. And the correct answer is option B. Graminivorous. Question number 25. One who is subject to death. Options are A. Immortal, B. Mortal, C. Martyr, and D. Patriot. And the correct answer is option B. Mortal. Question number 26. To dig out a dead body from the earth. Options are A. Inhuman, B. Bury, C. Exhume, and D. Mingle. And the correct answer is option C. Exhume. Question number 27. A student who is absent from the class without permission. Options are A. Escapist, B. Imposter, C. Truant, and D. Vandal. And the correct answer is option C. Truant. Question number 28. A bunch of flowers. Options are A. Bouquet, B. Flock, C. Garland, and D. Wreath. And the correct answer is option A. Bouquet. Question number 29. A person who is skilled in horsemanship. Options are A. Equestrian, B. Jockey, C. Cavalier, and D. Cavalryman. And the correct answer is option A. Equestrian. Question number 30. A persuasive and influent speech. Options are A. Speech, B. Eloquence, C. Discourse, D. Expression. And the correct answer is option B. Eloquence. Question number 31. A handwriting which cannot be read easily. Options are A. Illegal, B. Dirty, C. Obscure, and D. Illegible. And the correct answer is option D. Illegible. Question number 32. Incapable of being elected. Options are A. Ineligible, B. Illegible, C. Eligible, D. Irrelevant. And the correct answer is option A. Ineligible. Question number 33. One who speaks for another. Options are A. Actor, B. Impersonator, C. Spokesman, and D. Pretender. And the correct answer is option C. Spokesman. Question number 34. A person who has an obsessive wish to steal. Options are A. Kleptomaniac, B. Bibliomaniac, C. Theomaniac, and D. Dipsomaniac. And the correct answer is option A. Kleptomaniac. Question number 35. A man who is always prepared to find fault with others. Options are A. Go between, B. Frustrated, C. Avaricious, D. Censorious. And the correct answer is option B. Frustrated. Question number 36. A professional rider in horse races. Options are A. Coach, B. Horse courser, C. Jockey, and D. Rider. And the correct answer is option C. Jockey. Question number 37. Government by none. Options are A. Anarchy, B. Democracy, C. Autocracy, and D. Aristocracy. And the correct answer is option A. Anarchy. Question number 38. A person of material outlook indifferent to cultural events. Options are A. Materialist, B. Philistine, C. Uncultured, and D. Uncouth. And the correct answer is option A. Materialist. Question number 39. One who believes that pleasure is the highest good. Options are A. Epicure, B. Celibate, C. Hedonist, and D. Snob. And the correct answer is option C. Hedonist. Question number 40. That which is found everywhere. Options are A. Universal, B. Transient, C. Fresh, and D. Confined. And the correct answer is option A. Universal. Question number 41. That which catches fire easily. Options are A. Incombustible, B. Incorrigible, C. Inaudible, and D. Inflammable. And the correct answer is option D. Inflammable. Question number 42. A book containing every kind of information. Options are A. Compendium, B. Encyclopedia, C. Ledger, and D. Epitome. And the correct answer is option B. Encyclopedia. Question number 43. To favor one's own relatives. Options are A. Nepotism, B. Favoritism, C. Red tapeism, and D. Optimism. And the correct answer is option A. Nepotism. Question number 44. A person who is a great lover of his country. Options are A. Patriot, B. Cheat, C. Moral, and D. Ideal. And the correct answer is option A. Patriot. Question number 45. One who cannot die. Options are A. Perpetual, B. Immortal, C. Constant, and D. Timeless. And the correct answer is option B. Immortal. Question number 46. The state of being unmarried. Options are A. Bachelorhood, B. Bigamy, C. Monogamy, and D. Polygamy. The correct answer is option A. Bachelorhood. Question number 47. The animals of a particular region. Options are A. Flora, B. Fluorescent, C. Flagrant, and D. Fauna. The correct answer is option D. Fauna. Question number 48. An instrument for measuring electric current. Options are A. Altimeter, B. Anemometer, C. Ammeter, and D. Audiometer. The correct answer is option C. Ammeter. Question number 49. Notice of death, especially in a newspaper. Options are A. Advertisement, B. Declaration, C. Obituary, and D. Referendum. The correct answer is option C. Obituary. Question number 50. A place where bees are kept. Options are A. Apiary, B. Zoo, C. Aquarium, and D. Aviary. The correct answer is option A. Apiary.